Venture into the heart of Africa, a land rich in ancient secrets and enigmas. This vast continent, with its diverse landscapes and cultures, has been a source of fascination and awe throughout history. But amidst its wonders, Africa also holds some baffling discoveries that have left even the most seasoned scientists scratching their heads. From the depths of dense jungles to the expanse of the Sahara, join us as we delve into these spine-chilling findings, revealing Africa's most inexplicable and eerie discoveries. Number 1. Sky Blue Stone. In 1990, an extraordinary find in Sierra Leone left experts baffled. Miner Angelo Pettoni, while exploring the depths of West Africa, chanced upon a gemstone that defied all known conventions. Its radiant sky blue hue captivated all who laid eyes on it. But it was the results from carbon dating that first hinted at its extraordinary nature, placing its arrival on Earth between 11,000 and 18,000 years ago. The gem's composition was even more astounding. Laboratory analyses unveiled that it was predominantly made of pure oxygen, constituting 77% of its structure, alongside traces of carbon, silicon, calcium, and sodium. This unique blend is not known to be a product of any natural terrestrial process. The sky stone, as it came to be known, bore no signs of human manufacture, yet it was nestled within geological layers over 10,000 years old, predating any known advanced civilization. This puzzling discovery sent geologists and gemologists into a frenzy. Working with only limited samples, they attempted to decipher its origins and formation, but the sky stone remains a profound enigma. Its existence raises tantalizing questions. Was it the creation of an ancient, advanced civilization, lost to time and armed with now-forgotten technologies? Or is it a natural marvel, born from unknown geological processes? The sky stone's perplexing attributes challenge our understanding of Earth's minerals. Its presence in ancient rock suggests it predates human history, presenting a tantalizing riddle wrapped in a sky-blue mystery. While its sheer beauty is undeniable, the true story behind Pettoni's remarkable find might forever elude our grasp, a hidden chapter in Earth's voluminous yet often unread geological saga. Number 2. Hexagonal Diamonds. In the vast expanse of South Africa, an asteroid's impact 2.9 billion years ago left behind more than just an enormous crater. It scattered a type of diamond so rare and unusual, it defies our usual expectations of these precious gems. These are hexagonal diamonds, with a unique six-sided structure that's not found in the diamonds formed on Earth. In 2018, scientists delved into the origins of these geometric wonders and found something astonishing. Unlike Earth's diamonds, which are born deep within the planet under extreme pressure, these hexagonal diamonds had an extraterrestrial origin. They contain osbornite, a mineral that's typically found in carbon-rich meteorites. It's believed that these diamonds formed within a dwarf planet in the early days of our solar system. Then, following a massive collision about 4.5 billion years ago, they were catapulted across space, eventually landing in South Africa. These space-borne diamonds endured the intense heat of entering Earth's atmosphere, retaining their unique hexagonal structure. This shape suggests they grew rapidly, unlike the slow-forming diamonds beneath our planet's surface. To date, only small samples of these hexagonal diamonds have been studied, hinting at the possibility of larger finds still hidden. Their otherworldly nature not only challenges our understanding of diamond formation, but also offers a glimpse into the tumultuous early history of our solar system, where worlds shattered and reformed, leaving behind these gem-strewn remnants of cosmic collisions. Number 3. Homon NTI. Imagine stumbling upon an extraordinary chapter in the story of human evolution. This is exactly what happened in 2013, when a team of intrepid explorers and scientists delved into the shadowy recesses of a South African cave in the renowned cradle of humankind. Here, they uncovered a trove of bones that introduced the world to Homon NTI, a previously unknown relative in our ancient family tree. This discovery dates back to between 236,000 and 335,000 years ago, a period when Homon NTI coexisted with our direct ancestors. But Homon NTI is an enigma. It challenges our understanding of human evolution with its blend of human-like and primitive traits. The species' skull size, comparable to that of a chimpanzee, suggests a brain capacity indicating limited intellectual abilities. Yet surprisingly, their hand and wrist bones were evolved for intricate tasks, hinting at the potential for tool usage. Their shoulders were structured like modern humans, suitable for tasks above the head. However, their curved fingers were adept for climbing, akin to those of apes. One of the biggest mysteries lies in how Homon NTI reached the remote depths of the cave. The chamber where they were found is accessible only through a tight passage ominously named the Chute of Death, challenging for a species with their physical attributes. Were these individuals accidental victims of this treacherous passage, or were they deliberately placed there, possibly in some ritualistic manner by more cognitively advanced beings? These findings have left anthropologists with a puzzle. Homon NTI's unique combination of traits raises more questions than it answers, but it also holds the promise of shedding light on the intricate mosaic of human evolution. Number 4. Eye of the Sahara. Amidst the vast expanse of the Western Sahara Desert, a striking geological wonder captures the eye of the Sahara. Visible even from space, this 40-kilometer-wide bullseye, officially known as the Richat structure, has been a source of intrigue since astronauts first noticed it in the 1960s. Located in central Mauritania's Tanazruft area, its distinctive rings create a stark contrast against the barren desert landscape. Initially mistaken for an asteroid impact crater, it's now understood that this mesmerizing formation is the result of natural erosion processes over countless millennia. Geological uplift caused the land to swell into a dome, which then gradually succumbed to the forces of wind and water. These elements carved away at the dome's weaker layers, sculpting the eye-catching concentric circles we see today. The slower erosion of the tougher rocks in the region resulted in the formation of the structure's pronounced ridges. The exposed layers of sediment within the eye of the Sahara span an impressive 100 million years of Earth's history, ranging from the Cretaceous to the Eocene epochs. Fossil discoveries in the area suggest that what's now a desert was once a lush, dinosaur-inhabited land. This natural marvel, observable from the vastness of space, stands as a vivid reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. Now it's time for today's subscriber pick. Tucked away in the undulating landscapes of southeastern Zimbabwe, there is a medieval city that captivates with its ancient stone walls and enigmatic structures. Here, during an archaeological dig, a monumental rock sculpture of a giant was unearthed, presenting a mystery that stretches back through time. The enormity of this sculpture, crafted with what would have been basic tools in an era long gone, is nothing short of astonishing. Today, even with our advanced technology, replicating such a grandiose work would be a formidable task. This leads us to ponder the extraordinary skill and perseverance of those early craftsmen. How did they manage to meticulously carve out such a marvel from the unyielding rock? This historical enigma invites us to speculate and marvel at the ingenuity of the past. What methods could they have possibly employed to shape this stone giant with such precision? We'd love to hear your thoughts and theories about this fascinating piece of history. Share your insights in the comments and join the conversation about this impressive testament to ancient artistry. Number 5. Nubian stone tablets. Nestled in the Nile Valley, northeast of Khartoum, lie the remnants of a once thriving empire, the Kingdom of Kush. This remarkable civilization prospered for nearly a millennium, only to fade into obscurity around 300 CE. Archaeologists have been diligently exploring this area, unearthing remarkably preserved relics that tell tales of a sophisticated and formidable African society. The heart of these discoveries is the island of Meroe, named after the capital of the Kushite kingdom. This site, a vast necropolis, was the final resting place for Kushite royalty and nobility, until invaders ravaged the sacred temples and tombs in the 4th century CE. Despite centuries of looting, 20th century excavations have brought to light an astonishing collection of stone tablets, still intact. These stelae, engraved with the Meroitic script, the earliest known writing system in sub-Saharan Africa, offer a crucial insight into the Nubian heritage, culture, and funeral customs. Yet the Meroitic language remains largely a mystery, with most texts still undeciphered due to their complexity. Only the depictions on the tablets, representing deities and monarchs, provide fragmented views into the Kushite mindset. The enigma of the Meroitic language is a tantalizing historical puzzle. Deciphering it would shed light on how this influential civilization coexisted with ancient Egypt and ultimately met its enigmatic end. For now, these eroded Nubian stones stand as silent sentinels, holding secrets of a pivotal yet missing chapter in human history, waiting to be unlocked and shared with the world. Number 6. Desert fairy circles. Amidst the arid expanse of Namibia's grasslands lies a peculiar natural phenomenon that has long puzzled scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. These are the fairy circles, intriguing barren patches perfectly circular in shape, varying in size from 2 to 20 meters in diameter. Scattered across the Namib grasslands for an expanse of over 1,800 kilometers, these enigmatic formations present a striking contrast to the surrounding vegetation. For many years, these cryptic circles have been a subject of intense debate and fascination among ecologists, with theories abounding yet no definitive explanation in sight. One popular hypothesis attributes these formations to termite activity, suggesting that the barren circles are a result of termites efficiently managing water access. This theory posits that the bare patches channel rainfall runoff to the edges, thus nourishing the surrounding grasses. However, this doesn't completely explain the presence of larger circles, some exceeding 20 meters in diameter. Other theories have been floated, including plant competition, unusual gas diffusion processes, and even the influence of radioactive elements, but none have conclusively solved the puzzle. Adding to the intrigue is the life cycle of these fairy circles. These barren patches can last anywhere from 24 to 77 years before they are eventually reclaimed by grasses. This cyclical process of formation and revegetation adds another layer of mystery to their existence. The natural rhythms dictating this cycle remain a tantalizing enigma, leaving the true story behind these desert oddities as elusive as ever. Number 7. The Dendera Light. In the vast tapestry of Egyptian history, one enigmatic relief in the ancient Hathor temple at Dendera has sparked a whirlwind of debate and curiosity. This image, known as the Dendera Light, shows a peculiar bulb-like form connected to a sacred jet pillar. The debate centers around a fascinating question. Could this be evidence that the ancient Egyptians possessed sophisticated energy technology, possibly even electrical light? This intriguing scene is set against the backdrop of the Nile River, south of Cairo, in a temple constructed during the Ptolemaic dynasty in the 1st century BC. Observers of the temple wall are met with a depiction of figures surrounding the jet pillar, above which sits an enigmatic bulb-shaped object. Below this, an arc is seen hovering over something that resembles a lotus flower, evoking images of a wire and lamp to some observers. This unique interpretation has led fringe theorists to propose that the relief might represent an ancient electrical light system, suggesting an astonishing level of technological advancement. However, this idea of ancient electrical expertise is met with skepticism by mainstream Egyptologists. They argue that the Dendera Light holds a deeper, more spiritual significance, rather than a literal technological one. In their view, the jet pillar is a symbol of stability in Egyptian culture, while the bulbous top is thought to represent the sun disk, an emblem of the sun god Ra. Considering the temple's dedication to Hathor, the goddess of the sky, the image is more likely an expression of astro-theological beliefs than an indicator of electrical prowess. This interpretation aligns with the temple's religious purpose, framing the Dendera Light not as a marker of lost technology, but as a symbolic representation steeped in the rich spiritual and cosmological traditions of ancient Egypt.